Hey guys, today I have a video about how to make every LED strip smart. You only need to plug in the LED strip and the power supply. With this Magic Home Wi-Fi LED controller, you can control any RGB strip you want with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. It also supports Siri shortcuts, but no HomeKit. Hey guys, now we go into the app. It's the Magic Home app, and here you can see all your devices. Then we go to LED strip and you can choose every color you want. You can also make DIY colors. If you press it long, it will go to the color you're on, like this. You can also adjust the brightness from 0 to 100%, of course. And you can set timers. Add timer, repeat every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Confirm. On 10 o'clock. Wait a second. Yes, so. And the lights will be turned on. Mode, colors, green. Save. Now there's a timer. At 10 o'clock the RGB strip will turn on green, but I'm gonna delete it for now. Delete. Then the next functions. There are many functions. 7 color crossfade, red gradual change, green gradual change, blue gradual change, yellow gradual change, cyan gradual change, purple gradual change, white gradual change, red green crossfade, red blue crossfade, green blue crossfade, 7 color strobe flash, then a few color strobe flash, and the last one, 7 color jumping change. You can also adjust the speed of all these functions. You can make a custom function. You can modify it. You can choose colors, speed, gradual, jump, or strobe. Then you can use your mic, and if you talk, it will listen to you. And the RGB strip will go on the sound of the music. You can also play it right from the music of your phone, so it will match better. Then you can use the camera app. I will let you see now. And you can capture the color, but like a thing of this, blue, and the LED strip will turn blue. These were all the functions. There's also an option to connect it with Siri shortcuts, but not to HomeKit. You can connect it with third-party devices like Alexa, Google Assistant, Li Jenny, and IFTTT. You can change the background if you want. Use default, but you can also take a picture. Hey Google, turn the lights red. Hey Google, turn the lights blue. Hey Google, turn the lights blue. Hey Google, turn the lights red. Hey Google, turn off all the lights.